Excavator 1, keep clearing the vegetation.
Bulldozer, continue grading the haul road, traffic's coming. Spotter, signal the truck. Keep it steady, tighten those bolts, guys. Got it, mesh is secure here. Clear below for the next section. Keep it steady, guide it in. Watch the angle, left, a little left. Stop it there, drop it down. Securing the lines, looks good. Keep it steady. Okay, lift the bucket. Bucket coming up. Watch the cables. Clear the hoistway. Lower the bucket now.
Keep it steady, watching those cables. All right, next section.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts now. Clear. Got it. Check the flow. Check the spacing. Good, the alignment is perfect. Area secured.
Readings are clear. All systems seem nominal. Proceed with caution.
Looks stable. Check the upper right just to be sure. All clear? All clear. Let's move out. All right, bucket down slowly. Copy that, bucket down. Push in, fill it up. Full capacity, reversing now. Clear behind you.
Truck is loaded. Start moving out. Copy that. Departing now. Watch the clearance, slow and steady.
Make sure that torque is spot on. Checked. Moving to the next one. Lift it slowly. Ready? Lower it down. Tighten the left side. Verified. Lock it in. The coverage here looks excellent. Yes, the bonding is strong. Let's mark this section as approved. All right, reinforcement ready. Move it in. Watch the spacing there. Perfect fit. Good work, team. Targets are up. Confirming position. Scanning initiated. Data capture beginning. Clear the blast radius. Let's analyze the deflection data. Integrity looks good. No visible stress fractures. Confirmed. Let's start the scan.
Hold the lines. Slow descent now. Clear on the left, coming down steady. Watch the alignment, almost there. Engage hydraulics. Slowly. Hold steady. We're almost aligned. Ready the torque wrenches. Starting bolt sequence now. Keep it steady. Lower it slowly. Almost there. Check the alignment. Torque wrench engaging. Verified. All secure.
Ensure the hydraulic pressure is stable.
Hydraulics look good. Check the electrical connections.
Electrical secured. Moving on to ventilation now.
Line 1 clear, tension checked. Roger, moving to section 2. Transport coming through on the right.
Line it up. Good, bit left. Okay, locking it in. Tighten those bolts now. Readings look good. Engage the motors. Testing now.
Pressure in the left ram is holding steady at 15 bar. Acknowledge. Initiate full extension test. Hydraulic pumps engaging. Alignment locked. Verify position 2.7. Verified. Extending grippers. Hydraulics engaged. Stabilize.
Bring it up steady. All right, locking into place. Move along for the next panel. Secure now. The shotcrete appears solid here. We're showing a variance of 5 millimeters on the crown. Ready for the next push.
The water's returning fractured. Difficult ground conditions confirmed.
Flow rate looks steady. Checks out. Checks out. Let's inspect the cutting face. Right, area is much drier now.
Ensure the bypass supports are set before proceeding. Copy that. Monitoring stability.
Keep it steady. This last piece is crucial. Careful now. Clear. Let's get an atmospheric reading immediately. Status is stable. Inspection can proceed. Point out the stress points.
Good. The cutter head is clean and stabilized. Proceeding with disc cutter inspection. That one's worn. Let's replace it. Affirmed. Initiating replacement now. Hydraulic check complete. Electrical systems online. Main cutter head rotation initiated. Conveyor synchronization confirmed.
The rock bolts look secure. Good, let's start the laser scan. Initiating scan sequence now. Check the drainage while they run it.